How to use a tuner. A tuner is an application or device that indicates which sound corresponds to a note or note. The lowest note of this Qanun is G. You can have a different note, but it's usually A, that's to say La. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. La, Si, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. La, Si, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. On the C and G notes, which are usually 12 levers, the 6 of the levers are flat, the 6 of them are sharp. So you can detach it from the center or from the small protrusion. There's a clear gap between the sharps and flat levers or other notes. For example, D flat, D natural, D sharp, A flat, A natural, A sharp. You see that I've taken all of the levers down on these notes. When the levers are in this position, this note is F. You can also tune these notes to F sharp by putting up these levers. Qanun usually consists of ternary strings. The strings which are very close together are of the same thickness and are tuned to the same frequency. When starting the chord, check the frequency of the sound by simply touching the lower string of the triple group. If the frequency of the sound of the string is lower than it should be, turn the pin to the left with the key to make the string tighter. If the frequency is higher than it should be, turn the switch to the right to loosen the string. Do this until the pointer appears right in the middle. If the pointer is too close, it may be enough for you to stretch the pin slightly, or hold the wire and pull it slightly, or even press on it. Set the other two strings to the same frequency by ear after determining your reference point with the tuning device for the first string of any note. Do the same for the next note. Refer to the tuner for the first string, the first string for the second one, and the first two for the third. And go to the next note. If the pins slip when you release, switch by pressing on them carefully.